Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria, but if this is your first time visiting, welcome to Siempre Infinitos DIY. I'm so glad you chose to stop by. So in today's video, I am going to show you how easy and quick it was to make a coffee topper. Now here I have some pre-made mini desserts. I have a video of how I made the concha. In case you want to check that out, I am going to leave it in the link in the description box down below. Now, what I'm going to make for you is a pumpkin pie. First, let me show you that instead of using my mugs, I am going to use this to-go cup instead, and it's going to be easy and quick. All of this actually took me about no more than an hour. Now, these are the two colors of clay that I'm going to be using. I mixed each one with some white clay. The type of clay that I'll be using as well, it is air clay. Not air clay, I'm sorry, foam clay. So again, this was really easy. It didn't take that long. I'm going to be leaving all the stuff that I'll be using in this video in the description box as well and down below. So like I said, all I did was here, well, not like I said, but what you can see what I'm doing here is just making the pie. I use a flexible knife, or you can use any knife for that matter. And just cut a V shape, and I like to use the clear block because that prevents a lot of like any dents or anything like that, and it gives me a really flat surface, so I love doing that. Here I'm using my baker's tool, and I'm trying to make like I guess you can say almost like a wave in my pie crust, or pressing a little down. I don't know how to describe that, but I'm sure you understand what I'm trying to say here. But anyway, so once I got my crust going, and here it is, I did not make it the crust that goes up that high. I did make one, which I'm not sure if you can see right now, but I will be showing it to you shortly how much taller that one was to make. So here I have the filling that I'm just going to try to make it into a teardrop, and then add that to the crust, and then just blend them both in together. I'm also going to be using my tool to make sure that the corners are filled in as well, and making sure there's no gaps or what have you, and that is it. Now I did also added a piece of I added some whipped cream, I guess is what I'm trying to say. It's just by using white clay. I got a little ball, rolled it back and forth with my fingers, and then just twisted it and just placed it right on top of the pie, and it was that easy and quick. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I made my topper. So the first thing I did, I traced out the trim of the cup, and I placed a cardboard on top of that. Then I added the hot glue, of course, and glued it down. Then I went in with my light spackle, started adding, which was going to mimic the whipped cream. I start first in the center, and then I work my way around on the outside, and then work my way back into the center. Now the type of spackle that I like to use is the lightweight, because it is very fluffy and it actually holds its place, its shape, I meant to say. Added some white fine glitter, and then I added some sprinkles that I got from Play Code, and it's like their fall collection, where they has leaves, pumpkins, and cinnamon rolls, and what have you. Now there's other spackles out there that are actually harder, so when it dries up it actually flattens, and that's something that really I don't like to use. But anyway, here is the results, and as you can see that we are at the end of the video, and thank you so much guys for stopping by, and until the next time, stay safe, be kind, bye.